a triangle. How to get exterior angles? You can get exterior angles when you produce sides to either side. When you produce sides to left and right. Think about this side. Using a ruler, you can produce to this side and this side. Think about this side. You can produce that side to either sides. Here also produce to either sides. Then how many exterior angles are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From these 6 exterior angles, some pairs are similar. Here these two angles are equal in magnitude. These two angles are equal in magnitude. These two also equal in magnitude because they are vertically opposite angles. Here these two also vertically opposite angles. These two also vertically opposite angles. So there are 6 exterior angles when you produce all the 3 sides of a triangle. But this angle is not an exterior angle. Reason is that is vertically opposite to interior angle. So that is not an exterior angle. Only these two are exterior angles. Now let's find the sum of exterior angles of a triangle. Let's do some activity. Draw a triangle. Produce each side to only one side, not into both sides. Produce this side and produce the other side also. Take one exterior angle from one vertex. Take one exterior angle from one vertex. Now, using a scissor, separate that 3 exterior angles, R, P and Q. Separate them. Now, place vertices of the angles together. This is the meeting point of 3 vertices. Then you can see you can complete all the angles around this vertex. Angles around a point is 360 degrees because straight angle, that is half is 180. 180 plus 180, 360. So what can you decide? The sum of 3 exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. We can use that when we solving problems which are related to that. Let's see this example. Here 3 exterior angles are 3x, 2x and 4x. So directly you can write the equation 3 exterior angles of a triangle 360 degrees. 3x plus 2x plus 4x 360. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9x equal 360. So divide both sides by 9. Then x equal 40 degrees. When you divide 360 by 9, that is 40 degrees. But what is the question here? Find the magnitude of 3 exterior and 3 interior angles. So you have to find all the 3 exterior angles and also all the 3 interior angles. Then if you know x, how to get 2x, how to get 4x, how to get 3x. And the exterior angle at vertex A is 3x. So 3 times 40, 120. 2 times 40, 80. 4 times 40, 160. They are the three exterior angles. Now you have to find interior angles also. How to get interior angles? Here, when you consider one vertex, interior angle plus exterior angle equal to straight angle. So if you know exterior angle, you can get interior angle by subtracting by 180. So let's subtract all the three angles by 180. 180 minus 120, 180 minus 80, 180 minus 160. So the answers are 60, 100 and 20. So what are the three interior angles? Three interior angles, this angle and this angle. Three interior angles are 60, 100 and 20. Look at the exercise 12.3. You have to select and write exterior angles. Here different letters are there, A, B, C, D, E, X and Y. What are the exterior angles? What are the two arms of an exterior angles? One arm is side of a triangle. Other arm is produced line. The line which is produced. So this is exterior angle. Here one arm is side of a triangle. Other arm is produced line. So this is exterior. This one also exterior. What about this one? This is vertically opposite to interior angle. So that is not exterior. This is also vertically opposite to interior angle. So this one is not exterior. One arm is arm of side of a triangle. Other arm is produced line. So this is exterior. What about this one? This is a straight angle. You can't get a straight angle as the exterior angle. Here correct angle is when you produce this side. This angle is the correct angle. So Y is not an exterior angle. So Y is wrong. Y is not. So what are the correct exterior angles? E, C, X and B. E, C and B, X. Second question. These two problems are very simple because in the first one, clearly three exterior angles are given. Exterior angle X, exterior angle 145, exterior angle 90. So you can directly write the equation. Right hand side should be 360. Reason is exterior angles of a triangle 360 degrees. Now add 145 and 90, that is 235. How to cancel this 235? Subtract 235 from both sides. Then cancel. In left hand side, X remains. In the right hand side, 125. So answer is 125. Here, interior angle is given. Exterior angle is not given. This is exterior. This one exterior. But here interior angle is given. What is the sum of interior angle and exterior angle at the same vertex? That is 180 because they formed a straight angle. Then if you know this one has 43, you can get this one by subtracting by 180. 180 minus 43, that is 137. So here 137. Okay. Now you know all the three exterior angles. So you can write the equation x plus 148 plus 137 equal to 360. Get the sum of these two angles, that is 285. So how to remove this 285? Subtract 285 from both sides. Then cancel these two. X will remain. So x is 75 degrees. Now let's see the third problem. According to the information marked in the figure, you have to find BRC, APC and BQA. BRC. BRC means this angle. You can find BRC by considering BRC triangle. Consider BRC triangle. Three interior angles of BRC. BRC angle plus here this one BRC angle. BRC angle plus 40 plus 30. BRC angle plus 30 plus 40. Interior angles 180. So this is 180. 30 plus 40, 70 degrees. Then to remove 70 degrees, subtract 70 from both sides. Then BRC angle is 180 minus 70 means 110. That is 110. Now APC, angle APC, APC. This one. Here, consider this APC triangle. A to P, P to C, C to A. These are the sides. How to get APC angle? Three interior angles are given: APC angle, 20 degree and 30 degrees. So, sum of three interior angles of APC triangle, this is the APC triangle. So, APC plus 30 plus 20, that is 180. 30 plus 20 is 50 degrees. So, APC plus 50, 180. Then, to remove 50 degrees, subtract 50 from both sides. Then, APC angle is 180 minus 50 means 130. So, APC is 130. Here, 130. Now you have to get BQA. BQA. This one. Q is the vertex, so vertex is here. BQA angle is here. How to get BQA? Can you see there is a triangle in the middle? When you consider this triangle PQR, triangle PQR in the middle. This PQR triangle. So, these are the exterior angles of PQR triangle. You know that values. This angle is 130. Earlier you got in the previous part. This angle is 110. This one 110. This one you have to find BQA. BQA. So you can write the equation BQA plus 110 plus 130. Three exterior angles of the triangle, that is 360. 360. So BQA plus The sum is 240, that is 360. When you subtract 240 from both sides, then BQA is 120. BQA is 120.